Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or off call bearing for outgoing calls or incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then tap on the phone application. Next tap on the option key from the pop-up. Tap on settings. In settings, go down. And then you want to tap on supplementary services. And then tap on call bearing. And then here you can choose whether to use voice calls or video calls. And next, you can see that my outgoing calls is turned on, so I cannot make any outgoing calls as the call bearing is turned on at the moment. Now the reason why it's taking so long is because it's trying to retrieve all the settings from my network carrier. So we're just waiting for the information to be retrieved from the server. Okay, if you want to turn it off, just tap on the switch. We need to put in the call bearing password. Now my password is 1234. The default is 40, and I have changed it to 1234 and tap on OK. Now you need to find out the password from your network carrier. What is the default password? And if you don't put in the correct password, then it will not work. So let's say incoming calls. If I don't want my phone to receive any incoming calls, I can turn it on. And I can key in my password and tap on OK. And we are just waiting for the phone to publish the command to the network carrier. And if your phone bills can cost quite a lot because of the international calls, now you can go in here and turn on international calls, and that will stop you from making outgoing calls to international calls. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call bearing on your Samsung Galaxy S21. So this is the S21 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.